Universe. It's everything that exists that we can observe. From the tiniest particles to massive stars, to massive galaxies and clusters of galaxies. It's all part of the universe. It also includes, we can't see the dark matter and dark energy. The scale of the universe is incredible and full of mystery. Humans have long been exploring the origin of the universe and put forward various theories to try to explain. However, the most widely accepted explanation, arrangement Big Bang Theory. According to the Big Bang Theory, our universe was originally a hot place and an infinitely deadly starting point. About 13.80 billion years ago, this carcinogenic starting point, the explosion, matter, energy, space, and time are created. The original universe, it has undergone two main stages of evolution. One is the age of radiation. One is the material age. At the Big Bang, the universe first entered the age of radiation. This phase is dominated by radiation, and that lasted for tens of thousands of years. The age of radiation is composed of several smaller phases. The first is the Frank phase. The Planck phase is from 0 to 10 in -43 seconds. In this very brief period of time, the universe contains only energy, and the four fundamental forces of nature are also unified. At the end of the Planck phase, the attractive forces are separated from the four fundamental forces, and then the universe went into inflation. During this period, the universe is expanding rapidly. The surge lasted only 10 to 33 seconds. But the scale of the skyrocketing is how much? 30 times 10. At this stage, the strong interaction force is separated, and that energy starts to translate into strength, forming a quark-dominated period. And then the universe enters electroweakness. At this stage, the electromagnetic and weak forces begin to separate, proton and neutron formation. And then it cooled as the universe expanded. 0.01 seconds after the Big Bang, photonic electron, neutrino formation. And then the universe enters the nuclear phase. At this point, protons and neutrons merge and form the nucleus of Cheung-Hailey. This phase marked the end of the radiation era. When the era of radiation ends, the universe begins to enter the material age. Material age, it's made of matter, dominate the universe. And it is divided into the following three stages. The first stage is the atomic stage. 300,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe cooled to 3,000 degrees. This temperature is sufficient to attach electrons to atomic nuclei. This process is called decoupling. This resulted in the formation of a large number of hydrogen and harmful atoms. The universe becomes transparent. Photons can finally travel through the universe. The second stage is the stellar stage. With the formation of a large number of invading atoms, attractive forces come into play and gradually condense them into gas nebulae. After the gas nebula appeared, attractive force to gather and explore. And in the process of exploration, high-density sphere. And that sphere gets bigger and bigger as matter gathers together. Temperature and pressure are also rising. When the final sphere reaches tens of millions of degrees, hydrogen ignites. There was heat and the first stars in the universe were gradually born. And the last one is the galactic phase. When a large number of stars are born in the universe, these constant star formation sets off a huge chain reaction. And they put it together, slowly forming smaller star clusters. And galaxy clusters merge with other galaxy clusters, then merge and devour step by step. Ultimately, giant stars formed. Then in the passage of time, the constant death and rebirth of stars, galaxies are constantly colliding and merging, ultimately created everything we see today. So that's the evolution of the universe. So, this is just speculation, but it is the most recognized universe in the scientific community. Origenus says,